Let's take a look at business concept and culture. It's broadly agreed that there's a need to define the basic nature of a particular organization. This is sometimes labeled the mission statement or business concept. The notion of business concept has considerable impact on management studies and corporate practice. The business concept combines and weaves together a number of factors within the outside of the organization: the market, the product system, the organizational structure, competence, and management style. The business concept represents a harmony between the market, the product, and the organization. Compared to many mission statements, business concepts are often somewhat more informative and elaborative. In some cases, however, the terms are used synonymously.